I was able to take the piece of 4 1/4 inch bathroom tile and sand it down. After cutting it with a jigsaw, I was able to straighten it out, so it's relatively straight. And there you have it. It's not exactly 100% straight, but it's straight enough for probably most tile applications, especially if it's going underneath the floor. So this was a demonstration of using a jigsaw to make a straight cut and then sanding down that jigsaw cut using a stone grinder. This is the Ryobi BG612G stone grinder that costs about $40 at Home Depot. And there you have it. Pretty straight. So this demonstrates also that you don't necessarily need to buy a tile saw. If you're looking to just cut a few pieces of tile, you can use a jigsaw and a stone grinder. But ultimately, the total cost would probably add up to being that of purchasing a tile saw. Anyways, this was just a video to prove that you can actually use a jigsaw to cut tile. Hopefully I can get a like on this video, by someone at least.